Hello, my name's Rosie and today we are going to make a planet mobile. Wow, look at that! All those beautiful planets. For this craft you will need some sheets of strong card, some circular objects to draw around, 4 long straws, some pipe cleaners to decorate, some coloured felt tips, string, a stapler and a pair of scissors. Let's get making! Cross your straws over in pairs and get an adult to staple them in the middle. Then staple both pairs of your straws together to make a star shape. Take a long pipe cleaner and wrap it around the centre of your straws a few times, leaving a long length at the top. You can twist your pipe cleaner together to secure. This will be how your planet mobile hangs. Wrap the rest of your pipe cleaners around your straws to decorate and make sure you secure them in the middle. Take your card and draw around your circular objects to make your planet shapes. Make sure you draw around each size twice for every planet. Cut out your circles so you end up with a range of different sizes. Time to start colouring your planets in. Make sure you colour both sides of each circle and be as colourful and decorative as you want. What colours do you want each of your planets to be? When you're done, cut a slit into the centre of each circle and slot your planets together to make them 3D. Then tie a piece of string around the middle of each planet. And finally, tie all of your planets to the end of your mobile to finish off. Well done everyone! Your planet mobile is now all finished. Wow, look at that! Doesn't that look amazing? And it's all ready to hang up. Thank you. Goodbye.